Hello, it's Alicia with WTI. I have found the most amazing sheets and I want to share them with you. These are incredible. These are from Pizuna linens and these are a 1,000 thread count cotton sheets and they're awesome. I seriously feel like I am sleeping in a luxury hotel when I use these sheets. So many things to love about them. They are definitely made with care. Every stitch is super precise, very well done, and these sheets have a really nice weight to them. They're a bit heavier than other cotton sheets that I've tried, but it is not hot and they actually are very breathable. So even if you're a hot sleeper, these are gonna help to wick away moisture and keep you cool. The fitted sheet has elastic that goes all the way around, so it helps to keep the sheets in place and not to get untucked. Even the flat top sheet has a lot of extra material, which is really nice because you can really tuck it in and make sure that that sheet is not going anywhere. The pillowcases are also a nice size. So even if you have a pretty large or fluffy pillow, these pillowcases will be able to handle it no problem, and they feel amazing when you're sleeping on them. So this is the new white color and this is queen size, but they do come in a variety of color and size options. So you have some choices there, but I think the white looks so classic and beautiful. So I love to put this with a nice natural linen duvet, and I think it just looks super classic and elegant and beautiful. So if you are looking for some incredible sheets, super high quality, awesome comfort, then I would recommend these amazing sheets from Pizuna Linens. Super pleased with them, highly recommend, and that's my point of view.